Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nutrition Talk with Angona. So today we are discussing about DASH diet. So what is DASH diet? DASH diet is stand for Dietary Approach to Stop Hypertension. Basically it is used for hypertension patient who have high blood pressure. For them we are providing this DASH diet. So DASH diet is a healthy eating plan designed to help treat or prevent high blood pressure, that means hypertension. The DASH diet basically includes foods that are rich in potassium, calcium and magnesium. This nutrient help control blood pressure. The diet limits food that are high in sodium, saturated fats, and added sugar. In these conditions of hypertension, we should restrict sodium due to high blood pressure, and we need to take magnesium, potassium, calcium, these all nutrient, because these all help us to increase our not increase it help these all are help us to maintain our heart rate. Studies have shown that the DASH diet can lower blood pressure in as little as 2 weeks. The diet can also lower low density lipoprotein, that means LDL, which is a bad cholesterol, we all know cholesterol level in the blood. High blood pressure and high LDL cholesterol level are two major risk factors for heart disease and stroke also. So that's why we need to control sodium level in our diet. Basically, in DASH diet condition, we can take sodium up to 2300 mg per day. It meets the recommendation from the dietary guidelines for Americans to keep daily sodium intake to less than 2300 mg per day. That's roughly the amount of sodium in 1 teaspoon of a table salt. A low sodium version of DASH restricts sodium to 1500 mg a day. You can choose the version of the diet that can meet your health needs. If you are not sure what sodium level is right for you, you need to talk with dietitian or doctor. So in this condition, what we need to take and what we need to restrict. Basically, that diet is a flexible and balanced eating plan that helps create a heart healthy eating style for life. It is easy to follow using food found at your grocery store. Like for example, you can take vegetables, fruits, whole grains. You can include fat-free or low-fat dietary product, fish, poultry, beans and nuts. Nuts is very important in these conditions. It limits foods that are high in saturated fat, such as fatty meats, full fat dairy product, etc. When you are following this DASH diet, you can take rich potassium, calcium, magnesium, fiber and protein food, and low saturated fat and low sodium food. These all things you need to maintain in this condition of DASH diet when you are following this kind of diet. Okay? Here is some tips which you can maintain in this condition. I mean, when you are taking DASH diet, like for example, you can add a servings of vegetables at lunch and at dinner. Add a servings of fruits to your meals or a snacks. Canned or dried fruits are easy to use, but check that they don't have added sugar. Use only half of your typical serving of butter or salad dressing and use low fat free condiments. Drink low fat or skim dairy product at the time you would normally use full fat or cream. Limit meat to 6 ounces a day. Make some meals vegetarian. Add more vegetables and dry beans to your diet instead of snacking on chips or sweets, eat unsalted nuts, raisins, low fat and fat free yogurt, frozen yogurt, unsalted plain popcorn with no butter, and raw vegetables. Read food label to choose products that are lower in sodium, and also take proper amount of water and little bit exercise. These are the general thing for maintaining our body weight. These are things which you can maintain in this condition of DASH diet when you are taking. By that way you can be healthy and you can be hydrated also.